All right, so guys, good evening. So it's been a while, no, since we did our last Zoom training, and na-push kasi ako, no, to initiate this training because I'm getting a lot of questions regarding sa ating reward system or magkano ba yung ganito, magkano yung ganyan, di ba? So that's why I've decided to take a quick look again to revisit our rewards program or our compensation plan and have it reviewed together with you guys para at least maging aware na rin kayo kung ano ba yung mga possible earnings na po pwede nyo makuha just in case meron kayong mga referral, okay? So, sabi nga dito sa presentation natin, we have multiple ways of earnings, okay? So, actually, if I'm not mistaken, we have 7. Okay, so papasadahan natin yung iba dyan. So, yung una natin is, ano yung una nating way of earnings? Yung first one.
Direct selling.
Ano yung first one?
Selling. Direct selling.
Direct selling. All right. So sa direct selling, as a member, okay, so you will get up to 50 to 70% discount on all Sun Connection and the various affiliated products. Okay? So ito, I think this is clear to everyone. Okay? So yung ating 100 ml perfume is, ang suggested price natin dyan is 160 dirhams. Okay? And for the members, you can get it for 50 dirhams or with VAT, 52.50. Okay? Because I'm also getting a lot of feedback din na yung iba dyan nagbebenta ng mga 80 dirhams, 90 dirhams. And I would like to take this opportunity, guys, na meron tayong mga pinirmahan tayo. Okay? So kung ano lang yung allowed natin dyan na um, amount, so doon lang natin siya ibebenta. Okay? So we cannot go lower beyond the 20% na po pwede nating ibigay from the 160 suggested retail price. Okay? If you don't want your membership to be jeopardized. Okay? So, and also to be fair na rin dun sa iba nating mga distributors na sumusunod dito sa ating kalakaran. Alright? So I hope this is clear to everyone. So again, ang kagandahan dito sa ating business, no, hindi tayo nagre-require or this is not mandatory. Okay? So po pwede lang kayo, it's only your option, no? You may sell or you may not. So if you're going to follow the SRP price for the 100 ml, so meron na kagad kayo diyang profit na 110. All right? So yung next natin dyan is the referral rewards. Okay. Okay, so for the referral rewards, okay, as what it is mentioned on the presentation, okay, for VIP membership, okay, once that you are able to direct someone, okay, and join as a VIP member, mag-earn na rin kayo ng 110 for the referral. Is that correct? Okay, so that's the easiest way para magkaroon kayo ng reward. So for example, ayan, so if you have 10 friends who would join our community or our business as VIP members, okay, you will get 110 times 10. So that will be a total of 1,100. And again, this is infinite. So always remember that. So wala tayong limit dito ha sa referral natin. And yung, syempre meron tayong ano dyan, meron tayong different scenarios. Okay, kasi yung nasa presentation natin is mostly for VIP members. All right? So dito ipapakita natin yung ating 4 scenarios on the referral reward system. Okay? So for example, you are on VIP. Okay, and nakapag-refer ka ng isa pang VIP. Okay, magkano po ang rewards natin again?
Pattern.
Yes, Ma'am Gina. Magkano
Pag sa
po yung
VIP po
rewards?
din, 110.
110. Okay? So ayan, so nakapag-refer ka ng member, nag-join siya ng VIP, automatically meron kang 110 dirham.
1,000.
Okay? So second scenario natin, okay, pag ikaw ay isang VIP member, nakapag-refer ka ng basic, magkano ang ating referral? Anyone? See, that's the reason bakit kailangan nating i-review. Lahat kayo nakatingin sa ceiling, di ba? Nag-iisip.
22.
22. Okay, who has different answer? So hindi porke tayo VIP lang, dapat alam din natin to pagka ano kasi yeah, especially naka VIP tayo pag nakapag direct kayo ng basic, dapat alam niyo kung magkano yung rewards ninyo, di ba?
Hindi pa ka.
Ayan,
Sa
patay
basic
tayo
pa lang.
dyan. Oh. Magkano ang rewards? Kasi this mostly happen nowadays, no? Kasi medyo ito yung mga common natin na mga pay-ins right now, no? Yung sa basic para maging mas madali sa atin. Okay? Na mapa-join sila kasi alam natin na hindi naman lahat siyan kaya na makapagtamara ng 420. So, ang option natin dyan is 92 or 367. So kung VIP ka, meron kang nag-join sa'yo ng
24.
basic, magkano ang rewards? Anyone?
25 po. 25 po.
25?
25 na yun. 20.
Higher?
27.
Higher?
Higher.
Sirit,
30 na.
14.
sirit na?
14 po.
Magkano? Patay tayo
42.
dyan.
14.
Alright. So sirit na, mukhang walang makakahula ng tama. Okay? So kung VIP ka, tapos nakapagpa-join ka ng basic, ang reward mo would be 55 dirhams. Pero kung gusto niyo ng 14 or kung gusto niyo ng magkano isa, 27, hahatian ko na lang kayo. Bigay niyo na lang sa akin yung sobra, 'di ba? Okay, so ngayon klaro na tayo. Pag VIP ka, meron kang member na basic, 55 ang iyong direct referral. Okay? So ito yung scenario natin for both VIP. Paano naman kung ikaw naka-basic? Okay. So naka-basic ka, tapos may nag-join sa'yo ng basic din. Okay, so magkano ang rewards? Ma'am Gina,
14.
40. Any
14.
ha? 14,
14. 14.
14. Any more answer?
20 po.
Sino pa dito yung naka-basic?
4.
Okay, so kung naka-basic kayo, dapat alam nyo rin kung magkano yung po pwede nyong kitain, di ba?
22.
22.
22.
Basic to basic.
Basic to basic.
Basic to basic, how much?
22.
22 dirhams. Okay, sino yung sumagot?
Po.
Basic to basic.
Basic to basic ha, 22 dirhams. So remember that. Okay, yung fourth scenario natin, okay, naka-basic ka, tapos meron kang direct referral na VIP. Okay, so magkano ang rewards?
Basic.
Wait po.
Ay, compute.
52 po.
Ha?
28,
52.
52?
52.
28.
28? We are talking
Huh?
about direct referral, guys, ha? Wala pa tayo sa binary.
Ah,
Iba ang direct referral sa binary. Don't get
ano
confused.
yun? Basic to VAT.
Basic, tapos nagkaroon ka ng VIP, which is this is very seldom to happen, no? Kasi pag ganitong mga scenario naman, we are enlightening those people na
28.
ha? 28. Okay. So walang
Wala lang.
tumatama, di ba? Walang tumatama. Okay? So pag basic ka tapos nakapagpa-join ka ng VIP, which is actually very far from, happening, okay? But if it happens, ang reward mo dyan will be 55 dirhams. Okay?
Pareho lang dun sa
Pareho.
VIP basic.
Ano lang siya na.
Ngayon, ang question naman dyan kasi, ang nagiging scenario kasi dito, pagka meron kang naka-basic ka, tapos just in case pa-join ka na yung tao na gustong interesado talaga sa business and gusto na nag-iisip siya between basic and VIP, gustong-gusto niyang mag-join, no? Pero he's choosing between basic and VIP. Okay. So ngayon, ini-explain natin ngayon dyan sa member na naka-basic kung ano yung mga dapat niyang gawin. Okay? Kasi ito yung po pwede kasing maging isa when you are doing the presentation. This could be one of the best closing that you can do, no? Doon sa gustong mag-VIP pero ikaw naka-basic lang. Siyempre, papayag ka ba na yung member mo, okay, nakita niya yung potential ng negosyo kaya gusto niyang mag-VIP, pero ikaw na gumagawa na ng business, naka-basic pa rin. Okay, okay. Clear ba tayo dyan? So dapat bago kayo
Opo.
makapagpa-join ng VIP na gustong-gusto naman yan, dapat mauna sa inyo. Kasi paano nyo i-close or paano nyo sasabihin doon sa guest ninyo na maganda yung VIP kasi malaki yung kikitain mo. Kung ikaw mismo na gumagawa na ng business for so long, naka-basic package pa rin. Tama ba? So
Tama.
dapat dun sa inyo guys na naka-basic, okay, ang first goal po natin dyan is makapag-upgrade kayo ng account to VIP, okay, for you to be able to maximize the rewards na po pwede mong makuha. Okay, so klaro tayo doon, ha? So nagsusulat po ba tayo para ito hindi na siya ma-erase? So I hope this is clear, ha? Next natin is, of course, number 3 is the sales reward. So as the presentation says, you will get up to 5% commission on your team members' purchases as they generate their own product sales. So everyone sa lahat ng mga nagpe-present na dyan, naiintindihan na nila to, no? So you will be earning commission up to your 4th level. Okay? So sa level 1, you will have 5%. Excuse me. Second level, you will earn 2.5%. And then third level, 1%. And 1% sa fourth level. So assuming that these 4 members are going to purchase 1,000 dirhams worth of products sa Send Connection, so first level kagad, meron ka ng earnings na 1,000 dirhams. Okay? And sa level 2, meron ka ng 50 dirhams sa first level and 25 dirhams sa second level. Okay, 10 dirhams sa third level and 10 dirhams sa fourth level. So I hope that everybody understands kung paano yung ating leveling system. Okay? So ito ikaw, okay, pag-member ka nito si level 1. Okay? Then si level 1 na pa-member niya si level 2. then si level 2 na pa-member si level 3, and then si level 3 na pa-member niya si level 4. So up to the 4th level po pwede ka pong kumita ng sales reward every time that they are purchasing products. Okay? So ito clear na to ha? This is going to be a very quick training kasi quick review lang po tayo. So paano yung mga late na nag-join? Okay. So infinite pairing program. Okay. So this is you. Okay. So syempre, automatically, pag nag-join po kayo, you will have a left sales force and a right sales force. Okay. So sabi nga po natin dito, in order for you to earn, okay, you only need to look for 2 people. Okay. Each individual, you either put on your left side or the left sales force or the right sales force. Okay. So you will earn 110 dirhams, okay, as a referral reward on B, and another 110 dirhams on B as he joins. Okay. So since meron na kayong member sa left and then meron kayong member sa right, so our system will automatically detect this as a pairing. So you will earn a pairing bonus of 132. Okay, and I hope also this is clear. So si A, para din siya kumita, okay, para ma-enjoy din niya ang passive income somehow, so maghahanap din siya ng dalawang tao that he will put on either left or his right side. Okay, same goes with B. Okay. So yung dalawang nakita ni A tsaka dalawang nakita ni B, nilagay niya sa kaliwa at kanan mo. So our system will detect it as pairing. So ikaw kikita ka ulit dyan ng pairing bonus na 132 dyan and another 132 dyan. Okay? So habang ginagawa mo yung business, syempre may makikilala ka pa rin po na ibang tao na po pwedeng mag-join sa team mo. Okay, let's say si member C. Okay, so si member C, wala ka naman pong ibang paglalagyan yan. It's either on your left and on your right side. Okay, so ito guys, yung sinasabi natin na hindi mo naman gagawing mag-isa yung business. Meron tayong tulungan system dito which is the spillover. Okay, but I want you guys to understand, okay, na itong tulungan system natin na to or yung spillover is not merely a responsibility ng inyong upline or ng inyong sponsor. Okay? So po pwede lang po kayong matulungan ng inyong upline or ng inyong sponsor kasi wala naman kaming choice dyan kung saan kami ibang choice na pagbababaan yan. So it's either left and right lang. Especially dun sa mga uplines or mga coaches or sponsors nyo na medyo marami na silang members. So you have to wait for your turn. Okay? Hindi po nyo dapat obligahin yung mga sponsor po ninyo na babaan kayo. Okay? It is your actually your responsibility as an entrepreneur dito sa ating industry. Okay? So tulungan lang po ito, nililinaw ko lang po yan. It's a tulong, it's a help lang po sa ating sponsor or sa upline, so hindi po siya required. Okay? Hindi nyo po kailangang obligahin yung nasa taas ninyo na babaan po kayo. Okay? So to continue, the left sa kaliwa mo si member C, binaba mo dyan, so you earn 110. Okay? So tinulungan mo itong member na to na mahanap yung kanyang kaliwa. So ngayon, dalawa lang naman yung hahanapin niya, binigay mo na yung kaliwa. Okay, so isa na lang ang hahanapin niya, yung sa kanan. Alright? So itong dalawa na to, we are going to call them waiting to be paired kasi sa left side mo, nandun sila. So dapat meron silang partner na nasa right side mo. So yung member mo na to will look for 2 people. Okay? So kahit saan niya po yan ilagay, okay lang. I-detect po ito ni system natin na pairing since meron ka ng dalawa sa kaliwa at meron kang dalawa sa kanan na nadagdag. Okay, so dito mag-earn ka po ng pairing bonus na 132 and another 132 dyan. So take note guys that this is also infinite. So habang may nadadagdag sa kaliwa mo at sa kanan mo, at nagpapare sila, mag-earn ka po dyan ng 132. Okay? So, again, we have different scenarios kasi ang nabanggit lang natin sa presentation are those people under the VIP membership. Okay. So ulitin natin, VIP siya. You have the left sales force and the right sales force. Okay. Ayan. So you're able to, okay, to have someone join the business or the community as a VIP member. Okay. So, ayan. So, ikaw po, dyan, mag-earn ka ng 66 points. If you are if you are a VIP member. Okay? Mag-earn ka po dyan initially sa kaliwa mo ng 66 points. Okay? Kasi may nadagdag sa iyo na VIP na nilagay mo sa kaliwa. Okay? So paano po yung nilagay yung member na yan na nasa kaliwa mo, okay? Nakapag pa-member din po siya, nakapagpa-join naman siya ng basic. Okay. So itong nasa ilalim mo na itong VIP po na to, mag-earn siya ng how many points? Anyone who could guess?
12 points.
Sino po yung sumagot?
Ako po.
Sino po ikaw? Si Ma'am Maria. Sino po yan? Hindi ko nakikita.
Maria po.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Ma'am Maria. So, nag-earn ng 12 points yung VIP na nasa kaliwa mo. Okay. Ngayon, nag-earn yung mga tao may nadagdag na dalawa, no, sa kaliwa mo. Ngayon, magkano na yung points dito ngayon mo?
60, 78 po.
78. Okay, take note guys na yung mga nadadagdag dito yan, nag-a-accumulate dyan sa'yo. Okay? So pag may nadagdag sa yung VIP, nag-earn ka ng 66 points and then may nag-join, napa-join yung isang member mo na VIP ng basic, okay, nag-earn ka ulit dyan ng 12 points. Ngayon, itong nasa kaliwa mo na VIP, meron siyang 12 points. Okay. 12 points. And since yun yung original 12 points, pero since nag-add tayo ng 10% recently, okay? So ito, instead na 12 points, naging 14 points na siya. Okay? Kaya kung makikita ninyo, pag may nag-prepare sa inyo, yung 48 points yung total. Okay? So this should have been 14. Okay? So 14 points siya plus 66 points. Okay? Ayan. Okay, next scenario natin. Ayan. So paano pag ikaw naka-basic? Alright? Basic. So syempre meron ka rin dyan na left sales force and the right sales force. Okay? Ayan. So paano pagka meron ka ng sa kaliwa, it's either spillover or ikaw din ang nakapagpa-join dyan ng basic. Okay, how much is your point? Magkano yung na-earn mo na points? Pag basic. Anybody?
4 points po? Or ay 5 na yata ngayon? 5.
Yeah, 4 points plus ano siya?
Yung
10%. Okay?
Opo.
Ayan. Pero lagay muna natin siya ng 4 points. Okay? Ayan. Tapos yung basic mo, okay, nakapagpa-join siya dyan ng VIP. Okay. So magkano yung points? It's either, ayan yung nasa left side mo, it's either spillover or po pwede yan na ikaw mismo ang nakapagpa-join. So halimbawa, na-spilloveran ka ng nag-spillover sa'yo yung sponsor mo or yung upline mo sa binary ng VIP. Hindi mo pa kasi kayang hindi mo pa kasi kayang mag-upgrade ng account. So wala siyang choice, okay? Kasi ikaw lang naman sa'yo lang naman siya mas spill over. So magkano yung ma-earn mo na points?
8 points.
8 points. Any other answer?
Ay, 8 or ay, 10 na yun. 4 pag basic.
22.
20. 24 po.
This is 20 points originally since meron tayong 10%. Again, this will be 22 points.
Yun, 20.
Okay? So, ngayon, yung nasa taas ngayon, si basic, meron na siyang total 26 points. Tama?
Okay po.
Yes.
Okay? Pero nakikita nyo ba dito guys, kasi in-illustrate ko dito yan kasi para ma-compare natin kung ilang points yung nawawala sa inyo if you are not yet ready to upgrade your account but you are exerting the same effort dito sa business. 'Di ba? So dito kay VIP, magkano yung na-earn niya na points? 66 plus 14, that's a total of 78.
80.
78.
80.
Tama ba?
78.
No,
78.
bali
14
66 plus 14, bali 80. 80,
80.
no? Tama?
Opo.
Okay, ngayon si Basic, magkano yung points niya? 26?
6.
26, tama?
Opo.
Pero ginagawa mo din ba yung business the same as effort nung VIP member?
Yes po.
Yes po.
'Di ba? So, ang laki nung nawawala na points sa iyo, especially kung hindi pa ikaw yung nagdidirect nitong mga tao na to na ibibigay sa iyo pero nasasayang yung points. So, kung ako personally, ang tatanungin mo diyan, I might as well give it to someone na hindi masasayang yung points. Kasi kung bibigyan kita ng points, I want to make sure maximize mo yung points na yan. So, kailan ka pa magte-take ng action? Paano kung wala na akong ibang paglalagyan niyan kundi ikaw lang? I want you to maximize the points, the earnings para malaki din yung kitain mo, hindi ba? So you have to also do your part. Okay? Para hindi rin nasasayang yung mga points na naibibigay po sa inyo. Tama? And I hope everybody sees that doon sa effort nung upline po ninyo or kung sino man yung nasa taas ninyo na nakapag-spill over po sa inyo. Huwag po sana natin sayangin yung points na naibibigay po sa atin, yung naitutulong sa atin. Alright? Next po natin is the Infinite Leadership Reward. So, you will be getting a 15% commission on all match bonuses of your direct leaders. Okay, so again, this is you. You have the left sales force and the right sales force. Okay, so nakita mo si A, nag-join siya ng VIP. So, nakapag-pa-join siya ng 4 sa kanyang left and right. So of course, si A, kikita siya dyan ng 132 for every pairing. Alright? Ngayon, okay. So ikaw, bilang ikaw nga yung nag-refer kay member A dito sa business, okay, hindi papayag si Send Connection na hindi ka rin kikita. Okay? So ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng 15%, okay, for every pairing bonus na makukuha ni member A, which is 132 kasi naka-VIP siya. So, ang 15% niyan is 19.8. So, kung kumikita dito si member A ng 132 per pairing, ikaw, kikita ka rin dyan ng 19.8 for every pairing. Okay, so take note nyo guys, this is only one side ha. Kumita kayo dito ng 4 na 19.8. Okay, nang wala pa kayo halos ginagawa. Okay, kasi si A naman yung naghanap dito sa nasa left and right niya. Sabi ko nga isang side pa lang yan. Paano kung meron kayong member B sa right side po ninyo, no? And syempre nakahanap din siya ng tig-4 both sides, no? So, kikita po siya dyan ng 132 kada pair. Okay? And since ikaw din ang nagpakilala kay member B dito sa business natin, so meron ka ulit dyan 15% sa bawat pairing bonus na kinikita ni member B, which is again 19.8. So kung kumita ng 4 na 132 si member B, okay, ikaw kikita ka rin po sa ng 19.8. Apat din po yung kikitain mo, okay, nang wala ka pang ginagawa. So that is passive income. Okay? So ngayon, kung may nadagdag na mga tao sa kaliwa at kanan mo, syempre i-detect yan ni system natin na pairing and ikaw, kikita ka naman siya ng 132 for each pair. So kung waloy silang nahanap ni member A at ni member B, meron kang walo dyan na 132 plus si A tsaka si B. Magpe-pair din siya. So total of 9, 132. Okay? So again, this is for VIP. All right. So ayan. So ulitin lang natin VIP. Ayan. So let's say yung nasa kaliwa mo si VIP 1, okay? Or merong naibaba sa kanya or meron siyang napa-join dyan na basic, okay? Tapos kumaliwa agad siya doon, ay kumanan ulit siya no, sa basic, nakakapag-pair siya ng basic. Magkano yung kikitain dito ni VIP na nasa left side mo as a pairing bonus? Magkano yung na-earn niya na points sa kaliwa at sa kanan? Kanina na-discuss na natin yan no, sa VIP. Pag meron kang member sa kaliwa, magkano yung rewards?
55 po.
Ano po yun ha? Hindi po direct referral yung usapan natin ha. Points po yung yung points na ma-earn niya sa kaliwa at kanan. Pag VIP ka, then meron kang basic.
14.
10.
14.
Ano yung totoo? Sorry.
14.
14?
14. Yes.
Okay, 14 plus 14,
28.
28. So get the 15% of 28.
Nako, mat yan.
Mathematics na.
15%.
Pwede ka, Victor.
4.2.
Tama ba ako? 4.20?
4.20.
Okay, so 4.20 no? So ang kinita mo dito is 4.20. Okay? Ay, tama na ba? Yun lang pala yun. So malinaw yung malinaw yung sa infinite leadership natin sa basic. Basic yung tawag dito. Pag basic yung napa-join mo or yung na-spill over sa'yo. And guys, I want also to stress, okay, na itong infinite leadership is only for VIP members. Okay? So, imagine, hindi maliit na yung points na na-earn niyo kung naka-basic pa rin kayo. Tapos, wala rin kayong infinite leadership rewards. Paano pala yung nasa baba ninyo is humahataw, nag-grind sa business. O di nasasayang naman na nasa baba mo siya tapos ikaw hindi ka nag-earn. Okay, so gusto niyo bang sayangin yun? Yung effort ng mga members ninyo sa binary tapos kayo hindi kumikita or mas malaki pa yung kinikita nung nasa binary ninyo kaysa sa inyo. Okay? So you have to consider this guys ha. Yung scenario na naka-basic package pa kayo. So if you have the chance or the opportunity, okay, na i-upgrade ninyo yung account ninyo, okay, please do so. Okay, kasi kayo po ang nawawalan. Kasi kami dito po, okay, especially yung mga sponsors po ninyo, the coaches and the grand mentors, syempre gusto po namin na ma-maximize po ninyo yung earnings. 'Di ba? Kaya nga po kayo nag-start ng negosyo, 'di ba? Para kumita. 'Di ba? So, ayaw namin syempre na maliit yung napupunta sa inyo. But it should start from you guys. Okay? So, paging those members who are still on basic membership. Okay? Next po natin is the executive ranking bonus. Okay. So again, another another point to consider. Okay, ang executive ranking bonus po natin is only valid for those VIP members. Okay? So dito, yung sa ranking bonus po natin, 'di ba, meron tayo yung silver, gold and platinum. Okay? So meron tayong kasi as you go along in doing the business, may mga certain ranking tayo or mga tawag dito, ranking na ma-unlock or ma-achieve ninyo, no? Especially kung siniseryoso po natin ang paggawa ng business. Okay? So dito, syempre, I will show you those people, okay, na nakakuha na niyang executive ranking bonus na yan. Kasi imagine si Send Connection for each month, okay, isi-share niya sa mga tao na nakaka-reach nitong rank na to 5% of the total regional sales for that month. Okay? So, ginagawa mo na yung business mo, nakakakuha ka pa ng bonus from Send Connection. So, just imagine si Grant Mentor Aaron, no? Nung first time niya na maka-gold, okay, in April 2021, nakakuha siya ng bonus na 22,249. And si Grand Mentor Queen in November 2021, she got 18,756. Okay? And syempre, may mga members tayo na gumagawa rin ng business nang nasa labas ng UAE. Okay? This is Sir Dijoni and si Ma'am Numatek po. Okay? So Sir Dijoni, he received 25,961 and si Ma'am Numatek po received 18,696. Take note guys, okay, na itong bonus na to, syempre nakadepende yan sa effort po ninyo. Okay, kaya makikita mo dyan, iba-iba ang amount nung nakuha nilang bonus even though pare-pareho silang naging gold 1. Okay? So ang laki nung advantage if you are actually on the VIP or if you are a VIP member. Okay? So sa ranking, syempre lahat yan, okay, tayo, gusto natin syempre ma-reach, magaya din tayo kila Grand Mentor, no? Syempre makakuha rin tayo ng bonus, ma-reach din natin ng gold, okay, or silver. For the meantime, ano tawag dito, initial nating goal yan, silver. Pero kung ma-reach natin ng gold, why not? Okay, syempre platinum. Okay? Ang pag-reach po ng ating rank na yan, syempre may mga requirements po yan. It has been discussed to us by GM Aaron for quite a few times already. And then dun sa mga naka-attend na po yan, I hope this is clear and this could be your goal as well. Okay? So, ang benefits na tinatawag natin dito sa ito yung executive bonus pool, sabi ko kanina, the monthly bonus pool to be shared among rank executive is the 5% of the total sales. Okay? Ni Send Connection. Okay? And the bonus share, okay, is being shared among the executives based on their executive tier and rank. So each tier is divided into 3 ranks, and higher ranks receive a higher proportion of the bonus for that tier. Okay. Siyempre, itong mga rank po na to, meron niyang mga requirements. Okay. So this is only in passing, no? So team volume, so total sales generated by your network. Okay. Siyempre, hindi kasama dyan yung pag-purchase ng member mo using the store credit. Okay, this should be outside the store credit. Okay, and the rank direct referrals, your active direct referrals who rank in the current month. Ito po para sa mga mag-gold. Okay, and of course the minimum purchase volume. Okay, this is the amount purchased by you in the current month. So just to give you a clearer figures on ano tong mga sinasabi ko dito na mga requirements, okay? Ito po yung sinasabi natin na yan. Sa silver, para ma-reach mo po ang silver na rank, okay, unang-una syempre dapat naka-VIP ka dyan, ha? So, 20% of the executive bonus is shared among silver tier executives. So, in proportion to their rank. So sa silver 1, dapat yung team volume mo is 10,000 dirhams. Okay? And then, meron ka dyan na monthly purchase volume na 120 dirhams. Ang shares mo dyan will be 3. GMA, can you correct me if I'm wrong? This is 3%. Yung bonus share. 3% po ito, no? 3%, right? And then sa silver 2, kailangan po meron kang 25,000 dirhams na team volume. So this is a group sales mo po ito, no? So kasama dito yung mga purchase volumes ng mga member mo. Okay? And of course, yung monthly purchase volume sa'yo, dapat meron kang 120 dirhams. And yung bonus share mo is 4%. Okay? 4% to nung 5% ha. Okay? Then the silver 3, you need to achieve 50,000 dirhams. Okay? Group sales. And then dapat meron ka po ang member na mag-silver 1. Okay? And then meron kang monthly purchase volume again na 120 and you will be getting the 5%. Okay? So ito po yung illustration dyan. Ito yung ating graph, no? So platinum will be getting the 45%, silver is 20%, and gold will get 35%. Okay? So if you are targeting, okay, the gold rank, okay, so we have gold 1, gold 2, and gold 3. So yung team volume mo po sa gold 1, you should have a 100,000 group sales. Okay? And then sa bawat member mo po, direct member mo, dapat meron po sa kanilang magsi-silver 2. Okay? And you will have, you should have a 120 monthly purchase volume. Okay? And then for gold 2, all right, you should have a team volume of 150,000. Okay, dirhams. Again, this is a group sales. And yung requirement po sa members mo, dapat makapag-rank po sila ng isang silver 1, isang silver 2, and isang silver 3. Okay? Then you should have a 120 purchase volume as well. Then gold 3, okay, you should have a 200,000 dirhams team volume, group sales, and sa mga direct members ninyo, okay, dapat merong dalawang silver 1, dalawang silver 2, and dalawang silver 3 to get a 5% share. Okay? So hanggang dito lang yung i-discuss natin sa rank silver and gold kasi yung platinum, okay? So I will let Sir Aaron or Grand Mentor Aaron to discuss about this portion because he is the right person to discuss about achieving this platinum rank. All right? Ayan. So as you all know, si Grand Mentor Aaron po ang kauna-unahan at nag-iisang naka-achieve ng platinum rank. So last February 2023, nakakuha siya ng bonus na 67,312 dirhams, okay, over 400,000 sales. Na itong 67,000 ito, pag i-convert nyo po yan sa pesos, that's already million, no? Okay, so napakalaki pero po pwede nyo po yung kitain ng isang buwan lang as a bonus pa. Then you can also be eligible sa ating car incentive program. Okay? So kung nangangarap po kayo na magkaroon ng sariling kotse dito sa UAE. Okay? So si Grand Mentor Aaron po ang second na nakakuha niyang car incentive na yan. So he is now driving a Dodge Challenger sports car. Okay? So he is the second. Okay? And in the span of 5 years, nakapamigay na po ng tatlong sports car. Okay? Or tatlong kotse si Send Connection. And ang maganda dyan sa ginawa ni Send Connection, this year naka-open po yung slot na yan. So the fourth car should be given or could be given away this year. Okay? So iniintay po natin kung sino yung magiging beneficiary niyan. Okay? So again, guys, reiterate ko lang, those rewards are open lang yan sa VIP ha. So just imagine kung ano po yung mga rewards na namimiss po natin if you will remain as basic members. So collaborators rewards, again, ito yan. So kaya po nire-request po natin sa inyo guys to learn about presenting the business. Kung medyo nagkakaroon pa kayo ng challenges in having a direct referral, okay? Tapos hindi rin kayo sabihin natin hindi rin kayo makapag-focus sa pagbebenta ng products, okay? You can also learn just by presenting the business, okay? And nakikita niyo naman po no si Coach Mina for how many years consecutively nakakakuha siya ng bonus na 1,000 dirhams, okay, from Send Connection. Kasi po siya po ang may pinakamarami na nagiging collaborator. Okay? So, po pwede nyo rin pong gawin yan. Sabi ko nga, if you are having trouble, okay pa, kung hindi pa yung skills natin, kailangan pa nang mag-improve when it comes to having direct members. And then kung may challenges din kayo sa direct selling, then you can also do the collaboration. Okay? So, kung aaralin nyo po ang presentation at makakapagpa-join po kayo, okay, kung magjo-join yung guest na napresentan nyo ng business, nag-join siya ng basic, mag-earn po kayo ng 30% doon sa direct referral nung kung sino man po yung may guest. Okay? Let's say ako po, meron akong guest dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Okay? So, si Ma'am Flor ang nag-present doon sa guest ko. So, every time pag nag-join yung guest ko na napresentan niya, okay, meron siyang 30% doon sa aking referral reward. Then kung magjo-join naman yung guest ko ng VIP, meron din siyang 40%. So just imagine guys, malaking bagay na rin to na nakaupo lang kayo sa opisina, nagpe-present ng ating business, okay, which is ginagawa nyo naman pero kumikita kayo. Okay? Next natin, Prestige Rewards. Again guys, this is a very special tawag dito factor no kasi ito rin yung nami-miss ng ibang naka-basic. Okay. So for those VIP members no, if they are able to direct people, okay, pag nag-join po sila ng basic package, mag-earn po sila ng 1 point. Okay. Then kung pa-join sila ng VIP members, okay, mag-earn din naman sila ng 5 points. So in a month, okay, mag-a-accumulate itong points na to. Pag naging 50 points yan sa isang buwan, meron pang additional 1,000 bonus from Send Connection. So guys, dito pa lang, ang laki na nung bonus na yan na 1,000 dirhams. Ginagawa mo yung negosyo mo, okay, nagkakaroon ka pa ng bonus. Okay? So yung tinatawag natin na strong leg retention, I just want to reiterate, okay, maximum pairing limit po natin is 12 pairings, meaning 12 po sa left, 12 po sa right. So if this happens, okay, yung pairing bonus mo, okay, could possibly be 1,440 maximum in a day. Okay? So i-add pa po natin yung ating mga leadership rewards, the 19.8. Okay? Kaya magiging 1,584 yung po pwede nyong kitain sa isang araw. Okay? So guys, take note, this is cap. Okay? Wala po tayong flash out. Okay? Pag na-reach nyo in a certain day, yung 12 pairings na yan, and then that same day, nagkaroon pa kayo ng pang 13th, okay, that will be carried over the next day. Hindi po ma-flash out yan. Pwede nyo pang ibanggain, kumbaga, yung mga natitira ninyong points, okay, sa binary. Again, if this happens weekly, you will be earning 11,088. That's weekly. And then 44,352 per month or 532,224 per year. Okay? So guys, ang sarap no pag ganito yung kikitain po natin kung seseryosohin po talaga natin itong business. Okay? So, kontento na po ba kayo na sino po ba dito ang happy na kumikita ng 100, sabihin natin 100 dirhams weekly? 'Di ba? Magiging masaya ka ba sa 100 dirhams weekly kung pwede mo naman pala siyang gawing 500 weekly? 'Di ba? Guys, ang ganda-ganda ng ating compensation plan, okay? So you just have to learn it and understand it para at least alam ninyo kung paano nyo i-maximize yung ating earnings. Alright, so I guess that's it for tonight. Meron po ba tayong mga question and clarification? Violent reaction.
Thank you, Sir Raymond. Thank you.
Ayan po, Sir A. I'm sure meron ka pa pong dadagdag.
Actually, wala naman ako